Can you just chill it for a second? Are you gonna want to be in this video?
I'll be in it.
Not helping.
No, I'm not helping.
Yeah, I know you're not helping.
Yeah.
You don't do shit anymore.
I do my best.
This channel is me. It was supposed to be us.
I bought that part today.
No, you did not.
I spent $3 on. Oh, you gave me
No,
$3.
I bought that because it was $5.99. Shh, quiet. Sorry, it's hot in here. I'm trying to get this done. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Joe. This is... That's a Cummins that comes through the neighborhood.
Comments, baby.
What's your name? Who are you?
I'm Hunter.
Are you
nice
new
to meet you.
New to this
It's my
channel.
first time in AA or YouTube. Today, what are we doing today, Joe? What are you doing?
What are we doing? What am I doing? Today, I am going to be... That's not the one we're using.
No.
Nope.
I didn't know what you were doing with
Nope, nope. So last year we made our own headers.
You guys have to at least take the RTV off so they know where
I'm not going to use that one. That one's just going to be for reference.
This was we didn't actually put this on. We were just painting. That's all. It's not RTV. Learn more and more every day.
Shit. Okay, so last year we made our own headers and they didn't go as great as we wanted them to. Someone welded them. I'm not saying who, but they weren't welded greatly. It wasn't Hunter.
At least one person.
It wasn't me. Someone did it overnight and we came back and they were done. But the welds...
Damn, it's a white shirt.
The welds on the what is that, the driver's side? The driver's side were actually decent. I'm going to just grind it around there and keep it. That way we don't have to make a whole new one. The welds on the passenger side...
Beautiful.
That was difficult. We had to use this curved piece because someone, if you remember, someone threw away the exhaust that we were going to use. There was like a whole 6-foot section of
I
exhaust.
think it was Kevin.
Kevin didn't live with us. Kevin, you were in Seguin at the time. Shh. I can pull that video up where we started.
No.
So
Start from the bottom.
when that's why we used this piece. But now this time right here today, right now.
Boom.
Hold on.
Where are you going?
This is what I welded last video. Bam. Okay, that's kind of...
Oh, right there.
Oh, I can do that right there, kind of. That's right. A whole set of exhaust piping.
Damn right.
Look at that.
BAM! We're ready. Joe's ready.
So
I'm busy.
now I can mess up as much as I need to, and we have a lot of...
That's not how that works.
Yeah, it is. Now I can mess up. Look at how long this one is. God. So, nothing to do but do it.
He's gonna get after it.
Okay, obviously Hunter isn't helping today. He's going to be cleaning out his van in the background. But this is indeed what we're going to be working on. Got good old Myrtle right here. Yeah, there she is. All right, ready to be worked on. Remember why I told you not to touch the car? All right, we got to do this quick. I turned off the fan. It's about to get real hot up in here. So my plan is to take this bandsaw, run it right there, like perfectly. So right there, it's about 2 inches flat. That would be perfect for this
Was that you?
adapter. So
What was that? Is that you?
I'm gonna take that bandsaw. I'm gonna cut that exhaust header right there, and then we'll get to welding because I already got my table out here. We're waiting for Hunter to run power across the garage so I can put the welder up here.
I need. Where are my pliers? Can you hand me those pliers?
Yeah, for sure, bud.
I'll put this on backwards.
Oh, I don't want to
You
step
can't
into
say
your ladder
run
though.
power when it's an extension cord. That's pretty ghetto. Y'all didn't see this.
It's running power though. I mean.
Plug in the wall.
So he's gonna put an extension cord that runs across the garage over there, because all of our tools are over there, and the only plug-in is right there. Be right back. We did it! Guys, look how far the camera angle actually was. All right. Electrician Hunter is up there still. Where is he? He's up there. But hopefully that's actually a good cut. I didn't actually measure. Just cut. So we're going to take this and... Oh my God! Look at how perfect that is. All the way... Okay, well... No, it's perfect. Hunter, I did it.
You did it?
I did it. Wow. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Let me give it to Hunter. And then take this.
Damn. Wait, put it back. Line it up here. So you only have one gap right there. She sits nice though.
Hardly any, though.
Yeah.
I like that. Good job, Joe. So, next part is to obviously put that together. Just make it go, you know, pull a little metal here and there and get that going. Ah, we made progress today. All right, so obviously the first step to welding is wearing your mask. You want to always be safe and wear your eye protection. So, I got my welder set up right here. Get ready to put this on here. See what we can do, because hopefully it takes pretty well. There's just a little bit of a gap right here, but that's nothing. Assuming that I've gotten actually a little bit better with welding, it shouldn't be a problem. I can just kind of stack on a little bit and fill it up a little bit. So I'm going to try and set the camera up again. Beware, this next section will have sparks in it. A little bit of a light flashing, but that's what welding is, so suck it up. Here we go. Also, power has been ran. Look at that. Look at this master electrician right here.
Call me for anything you need. I got one extra extension cord.
No! You're in the camera. Oh, hey guys. Oh, I don't. Oh my God. Ready? What a moment! Oh, look away. Alright. Hot tack, dude. Ow! What do you guys think? I can't. There it is. That's not too bad. A little bit of a gap right there. Should be easy fix. Let's get this welded. Just breaks as I drop it. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's just too hard to record. I'm stressing out trying to get it in the frame, so I'm gonna just show you. I got a couple tacks around it. We're gonna have that to weld up, but I'll show you once I get a line down in between tacks. So, I'll be right back. Sorry if you can't hear me because of the fan, it's right there. So. A little toasty there. Alright. Hey! Hey! Turn that shit down! Alright, we got one weld down here. Nice little bead on one side, and I'm about to do this side right here. Alright, you're good. Thanks, boss. Alright, guys, look. It is done. I did it. Put some respect on my name. Like I'm telling you guys, I don't know who welded last year. It wasn't me. But look at these. Look at those. Don't touch it.
Oh yeah. Nice. 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 That one right there? No,
There was a big gap.
You did good. Oh yeah, let me see in there.
Only one. He didn't even look down there. Uh-oh. Whatever. They're done. It's way better. They can't see me. There we go. It's way better than last year. I don't even have to show you because you guys know already just how bad it was. But now is the time we have fun. That's it's that one actor.
Leonardo.
No, it's not Leonardo. It's gonna be kind of hard to work on Myrtle right now because we're in Texas and it is pretty toasty under there. So we are gonna be taking this off. We're gonna put our new welded header on there, see where the piping is gonna go, and from there everything starts to go together. So let me put the hood up and I'll show you the pipe. Alrighty, I went ahead and set up the way our headers will sit. Bang, look at that one, that one's good. Bang, look at that one. Wait. So obviously that's the old one that we used last year. That one's actually okay. I checked the welds, obviously, and those I actually did okay on, and we didn't touch the header last year. So here's what we are going to do. Gonna use that. We're gonna take this elbow here. Look at that wiring harness that got burnt up. And we're gonna kind of do this thing again. And then we'll meet up in the middle with a little U. That's where the turbo will be. And that should be perfect. But I don't think I'm gonna do that today, because really that's a Hunter and I job, and Hunter is not gonna be able to work on it until next weekend or so. If I'm gonna do any welding anymore today, it's just gonna be trying to get this out here.
Hey, winner!
What are we doing here?
Special gift for you. We are now sizing up our turbski.
And we can rotate the turbo head, so.
Yeah. Let me just fuck up this brand new radiator.
Shoot, and the turbo will be sucking in cold air too on the radiators.
That'd be hot air.
Nah,
Okay.
we got fans there. We could even put the turbo outside the hood. Just up here.
Bam!
Yeah,
Do we need a hood?
we need to contain hot elements. So really,
Okay.
we could put the turbo right here and have it sit perfectly right there.
Rotate that
That'd be
down.
pretty neat, because then people could see the turbo up front.
If we rotate that output down a notch, just to slide right through here, so we make a notch there.
E? Slide the out port down.
This guy, just slide it down just a hair, so this stays level like that. Then we'd have a smooth sweep. Use all that space just for the piping to come up smoother, so we don't have too hard of a bend. We have all new piping, but you still don't want too hard of a bend, because we still got to make our joint to come up for that coupling to bring both together. I like that. We'll put it right there.
That's the new turbo spot.
That's the new turbo spot. We'll just have to put latches instead of this hook. Why would you do that?
That's a big turbo now that I'm looking at it. Like, I know it's only a 67, but I didn't realize how big 67s could be compared to the other one that we have.
Pretty close to twice. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let's put them together. All right, guys. That is going to be the end for today's video. Showing y'all the inside of our 67 millimeter turbo compared to what did we say this was? Like a 30 something?
It's a 33.
It's a 33 compared to a 67, which we're going new with. So she's going to be making a little bit more power. Hopefully the engine doesn't blow when we first turn it on. If it does, that's all right. I mean, Hunter hasn't done any work on it, so I'll make him build the next engine and so on. I've been building this rendition all by myself.
Uh-uh.
What have you done?
I helped with the radiator.
The what?
The radiator.
Yeah, you found
I helped with your.
you found a bolt. So, if I blow up this engine, it's fine. I, with my money, will purchase an LS, and Hunter can just figure all that out.
That's what I usually do.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna wrap it up. I did nothing but weld a header today, but you know what? That's fine. Don't need to do anything else. Hunter, what do you have to say?
I'll be part of the next video.
Next Sunday.
Most likely. For sure. Possibly.
Next Sunday.
Yeah. I should be in town.
Thanks for watching today's video, guys. We'll see you later.
See you guys.